Hi everyone, this is Susie. I want to thank you all for watching. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to talk about the ZZ plant. Like with most plants, poke your finger in the soil about 2 inches. If you feel any moisture, the plant doesn't need to be watered. Water when your ZZ plant is almost completely dry. Water until the water drains through the bottom of the soil and out through the pot. Don't let it sit in water too long. It could cause root rot. This is the whole size of the plant. Drooping leaves with dry brown edges or widespread leaf drop. Your plant is very underwatered. Yellowing of the leaves shows overwatering. A moisture meter comes in handy to check the bottom of the pot also. So I have a moisture meter I use to put deep down to see if it needs to be watered. This is a 3-way meter. I'll put a link below to Amazon to check the meter out. And I also have a waterfall, puts moisture in the air for the plants. And I'll also put a link below for this also. You also can mist the leaves. This will increase humidity around your plant. ZZ plants grow best in indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause the leaves to scorch. They can survive under LED lights also. Repotting your ZZ plant. Water your ZZ plant first until the water drains through the bottom of the pot before transplanting, if it is root bound. Signs of a root bound plant: cracked pots, roots protruding through the pots, draining holes, rapid wilting, stunted growth, and early browning of leaves. And they also are poisonous to humans and animals. So put your plant up high so your animals don't get near it or anything. It could be irritating to your skin, but it does make a wonderful house plant. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them for you. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now. This is Susie.